Okay, so now I want to show you how to use the snip and sketch option. Basically, what snip and sketch allows you to do is to not have to use the entire screen. So most of the time when I do a screenshot, I don't want all of it. I just want the part that I want. It's how I add elements to my web pages and things like that. I mean, I'm sure you'll recognize this keyboard. It's the same keyboard, lacking only the red squares where I was showing you what buttons to push, right? So anyway, to use snip and sketch, we're going to come over here. We're going to go down to the start button right here. And we're going to click it. We're going to go down to the S's. Right here is snip and sketch. You see it? I'll give you a few times right there. Snip and sketch. Click on that. Now this box will show up. It seems like it covers everything on the screen, but don't worry about that. Just click on new and it will disappear. Now all you've got to do is grab right there, bring it over, bring it down, and release. Once you've released, there's your snip. That's exactly the part that you wanted. You just click right here to save it. And that's it. Hit the save button and you're done. I hope that helps. I was truly amazed at how many people did not know how to use screenshot on Windows, and I'm just so hopeful that this will help you out. Thank you guys for watching.